What if I told you that a budget-friendly AI model just dethroned Claude Sonnet 4.5 as the #1 creative writing AI? A Reddit post with an 88% upvote ratio and 303 upvotes just dropped a bombshell. Kimi 2 is producing emotionally richer, more imaginative storytelling than Sonnet 4.5, and it costs a fraction of the price. I'm Hassan Khan, and as someone who's tested dozens of AI writing tools, I was skeptical until I saw the data. AllAboutAI's analysis of creative writing benchmarks reveals that Kimi K2 ranks #1 on EQ Bench 3 for emotional intelligence with an 8.56 score, beating every proprietary model, including Sonnet 4.5. It also scored 88.2 in creative writing V3 benchmarks, the highest rating for show don't tell narrative quality. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use Kimi 2 for creative writing, why it outperforms Sonnet 4.5, and the specific prompting techniques that unlock its full potential. If you're a writer, storyteller, or content creator who wants AI that actually feels human, this is for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes Kimi 2 different. And I'm not talking about marketing hype. I'm talking about measurable performance. The emotional intelligence edge. Kimi K2 is the #1 model on EQ Bench 3, the gold standard for measuring emotional intelligence in AI. It doesn't just generate words. It understands mood, tone, and emotional nuance. Here's what that means in practice. It knows when to show emotion through action instead of telling you she was sad. It creates psychologically consistent characters who react believably. It sets atmospheric tone without over-explaining. One Reddit user put it perfectly. It's the first model where the writing regularly contains ideas I genuinely wouldn't have thought of myself. It's on par with the average human professional writer. The show don't tell mastery. In creative writing V3 benchmarks, Kimi K2 scored 88.2, the highest rating for narrative quality. Evaluators specifically called out its ability to show, not tell, which is writing 101. Compare that to Sonnet 4.5, which tends to over-explain emotions. She felt nervous, her hands shaking, used predictable phrases, something she couldn't quite remember, fall into AI patterns, vaguely gestures, mysterious smile. Kimi K2 breaks these patterns. It writes like a human who understands subtext. Here's the kicker. Kimi K2 is dirt cheap compared to Sonnet 4.5. While Claude charges premium API rates, Kimi K2 delivers superior creative output at a fraction of the cost, making professional quality AI writing accessible to indie authors and content creators. Let's get tactical. Here's where each model shines and where they fall short. Where Kimi 2 wins: emotional depth and creativity. Kimi K2 won on EQ Bench, generates unexpected plot twists and character motivations. Sonnet 4.5, strong but more predictable, tends towards safe, structured narratives. 2. Tone flexibility. Kimi K2 adapts seamlessly from dark psychological thriller to whimsical fantasy. Sonnet 4.5, excellent at maintaining consistency but less experimental. 3. Character impersonation. Kimi K2 creates distinct character voices with unique speech patterns. Sonnet 4.5, better at following rules, but characters can feel formulaic. Kimi is really good at setting a mood and actually knows that you should show, not tell, to write a good story. Where Sonnet 4.5 wins: long-form consistency. Sonnet 4.5, excellent at maintaining plot threads across 30K plus word contexts. Kimi K2 can lose thread in very long contexts, though the 0905 update improved this. Structural precision. Sonnet 4.5, perfect for outlining, pacing, and story structure. Kimi K2, more creative but sometimes needs direction for structure. 3. Complex situations. Sonnet 4.5, better at handling multi-layered plot lines with many characters. Kimi K2 excels at emotional scenes but can struggle with complex logistics. Kimi K2 for creative brilliance and emotional resonance. Sonnet 4.5 for structured, long-form narrative planning. Perfect for short stories under 10K words, character-driven scenes with emotional depth, poetry and experimental prose, dialogue, heavy sequences, atmospheric world-building, first-person narrative voice. Not ideal for novel-length manuscripts, 30K plus words, complex multi-POV plots, technical or procedural writing, heavy world-building with extensive lore. Here's the pro move. Don't choose between Kimi K2 and Sonnet 4.5. Use both strategically. Planning and structure, use Sonnet 4.5. Outline your story arc. Define plot beats and pacing. Establish character motivations and arcs. Plan complex scenes with multiple moving parts. Scene writing. Use Kimi K2. Take each scene from your outline. Let Kimi K2 write the emotionally charged moments. Use it for dialogue, internal monologue, sensory details. Generate unexpected character reactions. Revision and consistency. Use Sonnet 4.5. Check for plot holes and continuity. Ensure character consistency across scenes. Polish structure and pacing. Writers using this two-model workflow reported 58% faster completion times and 41% higher satisfaction with final drafts compared to single-model approaches. The temperature trick for revisions. When revising with Kimi K2, temp 0.4 for tightening prose and fixing inconsistencies. Temp 0.5 for adding emotional depth to flat scenes. Temp 0.6 for generating fresh alternatives to cliched passages. Let's talk about what real writers are experiencing. From the local Llama community, Kimi K2 received an 88% upvote ratio with comments like, far better than all proprietary models for creative writing. First model where the writing regularly contains ideas I genuinely wouldn't have thought of. Best in setting a mood and actually knows you should show, not tell. The critical caveat, not everyone agrees. Some writers report AI slop patterns still appear, vaguely gestures, mysterious smile. Temperature sensitivity makes it finicky to tune. Character impersonation isn't perfect for roleplay scenarios. Kimi K2 is the best for emotionally resonant atmospheric writing, but it requires proper prompting and temperature control. It's a specialist tool, not a universal solution. Here's what you need to remember. Kimi K2 ranks number 1 on EQ Bench 3 with an 8.56 score. It understands emotion better than any AI model. It scored 88.2 in Creative Writing V3, the highest for show don't tell narrative quality. Keep temperature between 0.4 and 0.6. This is non-negotiable use. Mood first prompting for 73% more emotional impact. Try Kimi K2 at temp 0.5 with the mood first technique. This week, write 3 emotional scenes and compare to your usual AI. This month, implement the two-model workflow for your next project. For creative writers who prioritize emotional depth, atmospheric storytelling, and character-driven narratives, Kimi K2 is the superior tool. For structural planning and long-form consistency, Sonnet 4.5 remains king. Master both, and you'll write better, faster. If you want the complete Kimi K2 prompt template library with 20+ creative writing scenarios, check out AllAboutAI's full guide in the description. Subscribe if you want more AI writing breakdowns that actually help you create better stories. Drop a comment. Are you Team Kimi or Team Claude?